Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the book exercises of page 90, unit number 9. Exercise C. Find the meanings of the following phrases and use in sentences. 5 phrases are given here. These are the meanings of these phrases. Look up mean to find, look down mean to hate, look after mean to take care, look in mean to investigate, and look out mean the act of keeping watch. These are the sentences. You can take help from these sentences and you can make your own sentences. Page 91. Okay, we are going to discuss the sentence structure. Here it is mentioned independent clause, dependent clause, subject, linking verb, object, and prepositional phrase. So what is independent clause? Independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. It contains a subject and a verb, and it is a complete idea. Okay, what is dependent clause? Dependent clause is not complete sentence. It must be attached to an independent clause to become complete. This is also known as a subordinate clause. Subordinating conjunction is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. A dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause. These are the examples of some subordinating conjunctions which are used in dependent clauses. Okay, what is a subject? A subject is a person, animal, place, thing, or a concept that does an action. Next is linking verbs. Okay, first, before discussing the linking verb, I'm going to discuss the helping verbs. These are the helping verbs. They help the main verb to describe action. The action happened in the past, or is happening in the present, or will happen in the future. Okay, what are linking verbs? Some verbs express a state of being. These verbs do not refer to action of any sort. They simply tell what the subject is. Linking verb is a verb that joins the subject of a sentence to the complement. Okay, linking verbs do not show any action. They link the subject with the rest of the sentence. Now just see the examples. They are running. Here, are is helping verb because it is referring to an action. They are famous. But here, the word are is a linking verb because it is showing the state of subject. It is not referring an action. Linking verbs do not show an action. Rather, they link the subject with the rest of the sentence. Okay, object. What is object? Object is receiver of action. Just see the examples here. Okay, prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun or gerund. The noun or pronoun at the end is called object of the preposition. Okay, English sentence structure that a new sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a punctuation like full stop, question mark, or exclamation point. A sentence contains a subject that is only given once. A sentence contains a verb or a verb phrase. A sentence followed subject plus verb plus object. Okay, now we are going to discuss the types of sentences. These are the types of sentences according to structure. First of all, simple sentences. A sentence consisting of only one clause with a single subject and a predicate. Here are a few examples, just see. I like coffee. I is subject. Like is verb. So independent clause, it gives the complete thought. Okay, come to the compound sentences. A compound sentence contains at least two independent clauses. These two independent clauses can be combined with a comma or and a coordinating conjunction or with a semicolon. Just see the formula of it: independent clause, coordinating conjunction, and then independent clause. Just see the examples here. Okay, what are complex sentences? Complex sentence contains at least one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. Just see the formula of it: independent clause, subordinating conjunction, and dependent clause. See the examples here. These are the formulas. Simple sentence is an independent clause. Compound sentence, independent clause plus coordinating conjunctions which are mentioned, and plus independent clause. Complex sentence, independent clause plus subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause. Okay, this exercise is given in your book. Identify each of the following sentences as simple, compound, or complex. Okay, statement number 1, answer is simple. Statement number 2, answer is compound. Statement number 3, answer is complex. Statement number 4, answer is compound. And statement number 5, 6, 7, and 8, answer is complex sentences. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.